So I'm here at the car wash about to pressure wash this Yard Machine's 5 horsepower leaf blower. The thing is really grimy and dirty. See, it's got all this caked on gunk on the deck. It's a mess. We're gonna take these Sacagawea dollars. We're gonna put them in the thing. 1, 2, 3, and have some fun. Let's go. I already sprayed the whole thing down with citrus cleaner. That's why it's foaming. That's why the grease is coming off so easily. You may notice this thing doesn't have a handle. I took it off. I'll put it back on later. Didn't seem relevant. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so I don't get the camera wet. Zoom back out. Now the fact that this thing was so dirty in the first place probably means it has an oil leak or something. But I'm not going to worry about that. I do not like trying to fix this kind of equipment. I can't believe how clean this thing's already. There's a lot of grime on the frame, a lot of grime on the wheels. What I find is that people don't want to buy dirty stuff. It doesn't matter if they're buying it to fix it or if they're buying it to use it, they don't want it to be dirty. I don't get it, I like buying dirty shit. Look at that. Now I don't have my own pressure washer because the one I had just never worked. And I ended up throwing it away, I think. I should probably get one. Because this cost me $3. But I think it's $3 well spent. Because as dirty as this machine was, I might get 20 or 30 or 50 bucks from it. But with it nice and clean, the sky is the limit. Let me see if I can get way deep in there. Yeah, see? It doesn't have to be perfect. People just don't want to buy some disgusting, grimy piece of junk. So I'm gonna blast out all the crap out of the wheels. Let me see about the undercarriage. I don't want to spill any gas or anything though. Now the only problem with doing this is I might damage something, I might blow a wire off. Thing might not run afterwards, but since I'm gonna sell it as is anyway, I don't think that really matters. I want to get these wheels because they're really hard to clean by hand, but they're blowing back a ton of water. Here, take a look. Now the alarm just went off. This thing's gonna stop any second now. But apart from the therapeutic aspects of blasting something with high pressure water, you can see just how clean this thing is versus just how dirty it was, and that's going to make it a lot easier to sell. So thanks for watching, and support your local car wash.